Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful denim handbags ideas. So viewers, I really hope you are I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is fevers. For Decor denim bag, glue small parts on the bag, make patterns or random design, perfect for parties or stylish look. Dress and dessert denim bag, use wrapped for fade denim, keep it for a bold style, great for modern fashion lover. Denim bag, use a larger jeans pieces, add strong handles, make it simple and special, perfect for daily use or shopping. And viewers, my next idea is jeans pocket handbag. So friends, use the back pocket of jeans, attach it on a small bag. You can even use it to hold small items. Very creative and useful. Paint denim bag, paint flower, quote or design. Use fabric paint, let it dry well. Now your bag is ready. And viewers, friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in